Where the fascism rised in the European country? Option A Denmark, option B Germany, option C France, option D Italy. Option D Italy is the right answer. Match the following: Holkar, Indore, Kickboard, Baroda, Sindhi, Gwalior, Peshwa, Pune. Option D is the right answer. Next, who built the Buland Darwaza at Fatehpur Sikri? Option A Shahjahan, option B Akbar, option C Jahangir, option D Aurangzeb. Option B is the right answer. Next, Coimbatore district is surrounded by Nilagiri, Erode, Tirupur and Kerala. Option D is the right answer. One among the given district has border with the Karnataka state. Option A Erode, option B Coimbatore, option C Tiruvallur, option D Tirunelveli. Option A is the right answer.